As the crisp winter air fills with the scent of pine and the world becomes a canvas of twinkling lights, there's no sound more synonymous with the season than the rich tapestry of Christmas carols. Each note and lyric carries with it centuries of tradition, storytelling, and heartfelt emotion. In this special series, we invite you to join us on a musical journey through the Nativity story, as we explore the origins, meanings, and enduring legacies of some of the most cherished Christmas hymns and songs. From the prophetic and poignant strains of O Come, Emmanuel, to the jubilant echoes of Joy to the World, Christmas carols are more than just background music for holiday shopping. They are narrative vessels carrying the essence of Christmas. These songs have the power to transport us to the manger in Bethlehem, to shepherds' fields under starry skies, and to the intimate heart of the winter season. In this series, we'll unwrap each carol like a treasured gift, revealing the historical context behind its creation, dissecting the layers of its lyrics, and understanding how it has shaped and been shaped by Christmas traditions over the centuries. We'll discover how Silent Night quietly emerged from a small Austrian village to become a global anthem of peace, and why the first Noel still captures the wonder and awe of the shepherds on that miraculous night. As we journey from carol to carol, we'll also delve into how these songs have influenced and been influenced by art, culture, and society. We'll see how they have been adapted, reimagined, and immortalized in countless ways, from candlelit church services to pop culture classics. And through it all, we'll explore what these carols tell us about the human spirit, our collective longing for peace and joy, and the universal narratives that connect us all. So, whether you're a caroling aficionado or simply looking for a deeper appreciation of the season's soundtrack, we invite you to cozy up with a warm drink and join us for the sounds of the season. This is not just a journey through the history of Christmas carols, but an invitation to experience the wonder, hope, and joy they bring to the darkest days of winter. Stay tuned as we embark on this lyrical odyssey and rediscover the magic of Christmas through the songs that have celebrated the Nativity for generations. Welcome to The Sounds of the Season, unwrapping the stories behind beloved Christmas carols.
O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel. That mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.
What does Advent really mean to us, and what role do hymns such as O Come, Emmanuel play in this season of anticipation? Advent, from the Latin word adventus, means coming. It's a time of waiting and preparation, a period of expectant longing for the birth of Jesus Christ. It's a season steeped in history and tradition, where hymns play a significant role. O Come, Emmanuel is one such hymn, a classic Advent anthem that has echoed through the centuries. Its roots reach back to the 12th century, born from Latin texts and sung in monastic life during the Advent season. It's a hymn that is as old as it is timeless. This hymn, with its haunting melody and poignant lyrics, embodies the deep longing of the Israelites for the coming Messiah. The song's refrain, "Rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel," captures the essence of hope and anticipation that is so characteristic of the period leading up to Christmas. Each verse of O Come, Emmanuel invokes different aspects of the Messiah's coming. It paints a picture with prophetic imagery, reflecting the deep yearning for salvation and the fulfillment of ancient prophecies. It's a hymn that encapsulates the very heart of the Advent season. A time of waiting, of anticipation, of longing for the arrival of the promised Saviour. The lyrics, O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel, are a powerful testament to the anticipation and hope that defines the Advent season. In essence, O come, Emmanuel is more than just a hymn. It is a musical journey through the season of Advent, a journey of longing and anticipation for the coming of the Messiah. Its significance lies not just in its age-old melody or its poignant lyrics, but in the emotion it evokes, the anticipation it stirs, and the hope it kindles. So, as the Advent season unfolds, the hymn O come, Emmanuel serves as a reminder of the profound sense of anticipation that defines this time. It is a hymn that resonates with the spirit of the season, a spirit of longing, of waiting, and of hope for the coming of Emmanuel, God with us. In the end, O come, Emmanuel is not just a song, it's a sentiment, a feeling, a state of mind. It's the embodiment of the Advent season, a time of anticipation, of hope, and of joyous expectation for the coming of Emmanuel. Remember this Advent season, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. And with these words, the spirit of Advent is truly brought to life.